go around the world. We go around the world learning many, many languages. And when it comes to us, where we have planted our roots, we don't put in effort. So I think this is a wonderful initiative, and thank you so much for this.
Thank you, Miko.
Good evening. I'm Rotarian Manoj Agarwal from Rotary Bangalore, Indiranagar. Very happy to be part of this initiative. Great initiative, TG and Meera ma'am. So hope to learn this language as well, because I speak at least 6 languages. So one more will be added to my kitty. Very thankful to all of you.
I am Dr. Krishnan Menon from Rotary Bangalore, Indiranagar. I've been trying to learn the language for a long time, never got around to it. Hopefully this time I will be able to learn.
Running low. Can I request whoever is not speaking to be on mute, please?
Good evening, all. I am Rotractor Megha Agarwal. I'm from the Rotrack Club of Bangalore, Indiranagar. Unlike my father who just introduced himself, I don't know many languages. So I'm hoping that I can learn Kannada and it will help me in my professional career. And I'm very grateful to Rotary for organizing this and opening this opportunity up to us. And I'm also very grateful to Asha Infinite because I've had the privilege of working with you all before. I'm privy to the great work you do. So thank you.
Thanks a lot. Thank you. Thank you.
Hello. My name is.
Hi, good evening.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Please go ahead. Go ahead.
Yeah, good evening. This is Vidyut Shenoy. I'm a Rotarian from Rotary Indiranagar. I'm currently logged in from Vancouver. My objective of learning Kannada is because I've lived in Bangalore for over 20 years and still haven't picked it up. It's my objective to do that here. That's it. Thank you. Thank you, madam, for organizing this. It's fantastic.
Okay.
Hi, good evening. This is Rotarian Mukesh Bhakiwal from Rotary Bangalore, Kalyan. Like what Vidyut said, it has been a long period for me to be in Bangalore, and it is bad luck for me that I could never pick up this language, which I wanted to for many, many years. So thanks to the Governor Elizabeth for taking this initiative, and I'm sure after this session, I would be in a position to speak Kannada and be myself as Nanu Kannadiga. Thank you.
Hello.
Hello. Hi, everyone. Hi, everyone. I'm Rotarian Pragya Jain from Rotary Club of Bangalore. Thank you so much, Madam DG, for this initiative. Really looking forward to learning. Thank you.
Awesome.
Good evening.
Hello, ma'am. I'm Indumati, Rotary Club of Bangalore from Mysore. So very excited. Thank you.
Would it be possible to start the session now? It's already 6.
60 are there. We had a lot of enthusiastic learners who are following IST Indian Standard Time. So let's just wait for a few more minutes because it's going to be amazing. We'll wait for Elizabeth ma'am to settle down so that she can just say a few words and then we can start off with the session. Yes, did all of you introduce yourself? Is there somebody out there who's not yet introduced?
Hi.
Good evening. I am
Good
Sajjad
evening.
Datta.
My name is Tridip Chowdhury.
Yes.
I'm from Rotary Bangalore, Yelahanka. I've been trying to learn Kannada for many, many years. In fact, Rotary Bangalore, Yelahanka used to conduct classes about 10 years back as a language, but it didn't go off very well. Thank you, Elizabeth ma'am, for doing this initiative yet another time, and hope to learn this language by the end of this entire session. Looking forward to it, ma'am. Thank you.
Hi, this is Anand here. I am from Rotary Bangalore, Indiranagar, and I look forward to learn Kannada. I have learned mostly programming languages in the past, apart from my native Maharashtra, Marathi, Hindi, and English. Kannada I can follow, but when it comes to talking, it is always a challenge. I think I will be benefiting from this session. Thank you so much.
Awesome. Awesome.
Good evening.
Hi, this
I'm
is Ramana
Sajjad Datta
here.
here. I'm from Rotary Club Yelahanka. I would like to thank Elizabeth ma'am and Miriam ma'am for taking this initiative for us to learn Kannada. I have been in Bangalore for the last 25 years, but I have not learned Kannada. So it will be a great opportunity for us to learn Kannada and call us non-Kannadikas. From Kannadika to non-Kannadika to Kannadika.
Hello, this is Ramana. I'm from the Rotary Club of Bangalore Oasis. And I've been now in Bangalore for the last 7 years. Managed with a little bit of a spattering, but I do want to get better at knowing the language and being able to communicate better with people around us. So thank you for making this, taking this initiative and creating an opportunity for us, all of us to learn.
Oh, hi, this is Sharda Vadokar. Sorry guys, my camera is not working here. Can you hear me? Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am, absolutely. We can hear you. Go ahead, please.
Okay. I've been staying in Bangalore from last, I think from last 25 years. I use little bit of Kannada, but my Kannada is not very sharp. I can understand, but not too much Kannada. So I can say swalpa Kannada gottu.
Awesome, awesome.
And it's over. Yeah.
Okay, so now it is 6:10. Elizabeth, ma'am, would you like to address everyone? A few words from you before we start off. I think she's just, she was traveling and she's just settling down. Did we hear from each one of you? I already have a favorite student here, that is Megha, because she has volunteered with us. So Megha, would you like to share what exactly you did? Sorry, I'm so sorry, I don't remember. I don't know with whom you were in touch, and in some ways I'm proud of the organization, the way it's grown. Now I don't know people who have worked in my organization, but on the other hand, it's I used to know each one in the organization. Yes, Megha, please go ahead.
So we had collaborated with you, ma'am. This was during COVID, where we were trying to raise awareness on laws with a group called Outlawed India, where I used to volunteer.
Okay. Oh my. Okay, you were.
So
if I'm not wrong, you were still a student there.
From then. Yes.
I think Meera, it's time for you to introduce yourself.
Yes, please. That's there in the PPT anyway. But okay, so I'm Meera Raman, founder and CEO of Asha and Fanat Foundation. I started this organization 11 years back. Basically, I'm a Bangalorean, Kannadiga. My mother tongue is Telugu, but people say my Kannada is better than Telugu. My Telugu sounds like Kannada, and I can't understand Telugu movies also. So that's because I've studied here, and my education, everything has been in Bangalore. And I started this organization 11 years back in Mumbai. For my husband's work, we were all there, and then I stayed in Mumbai for 5 years, and that's when I started this Asha and Fanat Foundation. It just sort of grew organically. So you know how it is in Mumbai, you have high rises, and right next to that you have a slum. So right next to my apartment was a high rise, was a slum, and we used to interact with these people, and that's when I started this as a small initiative, and people joined, and now it's grown. We have our presence in 18 states, and we've had around 1,800 conscientious citizens who have joined hands with us to volunteer and impact lives. And what else can I say? We have several programs, starting with Foundation English Literacy programs, then we have Spoken English, and we have job readiness programs for college students to help them with language learning and interview preparation, LinkedIn optimization, GD, everything that a student needs to land a good job. And our success story is just recently we have had one first generation learner crack a 19 LPA job. So we are extremely proud of what we're doing. And I have an amazing team which helps me in reaching out and giving shape to my vision, if you can call it. And yeah, that's it about me. I have 2 kids. My daughter is a lawyer. She's studying, she's working in Delhi, and my son, he's studied in IIT Madras, and just 1 month back he started working. Yes, I think we have Elizabeth ma'am here, and yes ma'am, over to you.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Good evening,
yes.
everyone.
Like a true Kannadiga. Okay.
Well, Meera and to everyone, I'm so happy that this dream of mine has come true. I really wanted all our non-Kannada speaking Rotarians to actually have a catch of this language, because we live here in Bangalore and Karnataka. We've come from all over the place, but we're all here. It's time for us to learn the language of the land, because we as Rotarians work with communities. And when you want to work with communities, if you want to be accepted, the first thing that you need to do is to learn their language. So when you learn the language, when you go out of Bangalore, you go and serve people, they receive you better, and you're more accepted. So the whole purpose of initiating this program of learning Kannada is because we want Rotarians to be accepted all over. And every one of our services is for the people and for communities. So while we have a global vision, our work is local, and we want to create a local impact. So it's with this local impact in mind that we brought up this initiative of teaching Kannada or getting to know Kannada. And I'm so happy, Meera, to tell you that in so many English-speaking clubs, people are making an effort to say a few lines in Kannada. I come from the Rotary Club of Bangalore, which is primarily an English-speaking club, although we have a big pocket of Kannadigas. But it's so nice to know that everyone is trying to learn the language. At least they're trying to speak a few lines in Kannada. And what we expect at the end of this year, that is by 26th June, is that at least every single person has been given the opportunity to learn the language, and they are able to have a working knowledge of Kannada. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಒಂದು 4 ಲೈನ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತನಾಡಲು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಆ ಒಂದು ಉದ್ದೇಶದಿಂದ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ತಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡಿರುವುದು ಬಹಳ ಸಂತೋಷ. And I'm sure, Meera, you will have a good time with the enthusiastic learners of Rotary, and they're all here because they have that passion to learn this language. So what they want at the end of this language is to have a working knowledge of this language, so they are accepted better in communities, they're able to function better in communities. So that is the whole purpose. And for me, and I think for all of us, Kannada is simply not just a language. It is an embodiment of everything that Karnataka is. So it carries with it the culture, it carries with it everything about Kannada. So it's just not a mere language to me, because it is like a part of me. Because I being from here and having this language right from the beginning to now, I really feel so proud that I belong to the state of Karnataka, and to actually feel that everyone else is also part of the whole tribe. We wanted to bring up this initiative so everyone learns a bit of Kannada and is able to speak a bit of Kannada at the end of this learning session. So that has been the purpose. I'm so happy that we have so many enthusiastic Rotarians who have joined this initiative, and extremely happy because we're starting it on Independence Day.
Yes.
And I think that is again one more significant thing. Like today I was in Tiptur, I just got back from Tiptur. So when you go to a place like Tiptur and you do a Rotary project, they want you to speak in Kannada. I cannot go there and speak in English and come back, because they will not really resonate with you. And everything that you say is accepted better when you speak in their language. So that's so important for us to know the local language. If you want to speak to a local vendor, to a local policeman, to local leaders, anybody, Kannada will help you. So I think we've all had our businesses here, we've grown here, we've become who we are today, being in Karnataka, and we owe this much to Karnataka. So at the end of it, what I wish is that ಎಲ್ಲ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ರೋಟರಿ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಮನದಲ್ಲೂ ಕನ್ನಡ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಎಲ್ಲರ ಮನಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಇರಲಿ, ಕನ್ನಡ ತಾಯಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮಿಂದ ಇಷ್ಟಾದ್ರೂ ಸೇವೆ ಆಗಲಿ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಉದ್ದೇಶದಿಂದ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ವಿಶಿಂಗ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೆಂಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್, and I'm sure, Meera, you're going to provide them a rich experience in learning this language. Thank you, Anand, for initiating this connect with Meera. I really appreciate that, and we are so happy that all of you are here. Wishing you all the very best in learning the beautiful language of Kannada. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot.
Ma'am. Thanks a lot.
You can start, Meera. You can start your regular classroom. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank
So,
you.
but even before that, I would like to say a few words about Mr. Anand, who has been volunteering with us regularly. He's been teaching Kannada, he's been teaching English, and it's awesome to see such people who are so enthusiastic, busy businessman, but he wants to give back to the society, and then he always is looking forward to help us as an organization and for our cause in different ways, connecting us to Rotary schools, etc. So thanks a lot for this connection, sir.
My pleasure. My pleasure. Yeah. Thank you.
So,
Go ahead.
okay. So first, I want to ask each one of you, how many words do you know in Kannada? Just put it in the chat box. Or if you want, you can unmute yourself and say 5, 6, 1, 2, just like that, offhand. How many words do you know in Kannada? 15. Oh, 30. Go ahead, go ahead, go ahead. You're able to see my screen, isn't it?
Yeah, yes, madam.
Yeah, okay. Good to know that so many words are coming out from you people, okay? Yeah, so I've been speaking a little bit about our organization. So I started off with teaching my own maid's child, and then slowly to the students in the slum nearby, and then that's how our organization has grown. So we've taught 10,000 students till now, and our vision, our goal is to reach out to 1 lakh students. And I'm sure by collaborating with Rotary, I'm sure we'll be able to realize our dreams. So I was telling you about the different programs we have. So 10,000 students and 3,800 volunteers. So like I said, this is our new program where we've been able to help college students, because like how you want to learn Kannada, there are so many aspirants out there who struggle with English. If they are the students from rural areas, they are first generation learners who are struggling with the language, and that deprives them of a lot of opportunities, not knowing the language. So that is where we help them. So my journey started as a sub-editor in Vijaya Times. Then I've done a lot of television programs, and I've had a stint with All India Radio Bangalore, and I've been writing for various newspapers and magazines. But what I'm doing currently is something that I really love, that is teaching. And this is Manjula Raj. She's an award-winning writer. She's written 15 books and thousands of articles for her Kannada journalism in UNICEF. She was awarded, and she has created this curriculum for us, all the programs. She's the head of the Kannada department. We lost her 1 year back, and she's also my mom.
Oh.
So how can you support our cause? You can, if you have a few hours that you can spare, even 1 hour per week. Also, we take up, wherein you can mentor a student. A few minutes per day on WhatsApp, that is also feasible. So there are a lot of different opportunities wherein you can help us with our cause. And like how what you are doing now, right now, learning Kannada from us, that also helps us and supports our cause. Okay. So I saw some words, the number of words that you know in the group. Somebody said 15, 30. And I'm sure majority of you will say, I really don't know this language. And it's a difficult language. I've heard this from many people. So let me just break some myths for you, okay? Some misunderstanding. So sort of a warm-up quiz. I just want you to type the meaning of these words. We'll start with the first word, sambandha. All these are Kannada words, okay? Sambandha.
Sambandha,
Chat.
relationship.
Relationship.
Yes, okay, that's also fine. You can go ahead and say it. Sambandha, relationship. Nambike, we'll go this way. Jeevana krama or Jeevana shaili.
Habits.
Once you're done, please be on mute. There's somebody, lovely lady chanting there. Okay, Jeevana shaili.
Lifestyle.
Lifestyle. Awesome. Paraspara.
Mutual.
Mutual. Nambike.
Believe.
Believe.
Akarshane.
Attraction.
Karana.
Reason.
Hey, you guys already know Kannada.
What is Nambike?
Nambike is belief.
Belief.
I'll go back to the answers again. Avakasha.
Opportunity.
Are there any Kannadigas here? Are they answering? No, no? Okay.
Avakasha leaves, huh?
Avakasha is opportunity. Janapriya.
People. Popularity.
Popularity.
Yes. Loka Kalyana.
Welfare.
People's welfare.
Okay. Smarane.
Remembrance.
Memory.
Okay. So we'll go back to the answers. Go to the answers now. Avakasha is opportunity. Janapriya is popular. Loka Kalyana, well-being of the world. Smarane is remember. I think I missed out one slide. Okay, that's it.
Previous slide.
The answers I'm not able to find for the remaining, but if you want, I can go back and give you the answers. Sambandha, relationship, okay. Jeevana krama or Jeevana shaili is lifestyle. Paraspara is mutual. Nambike is trust. Akarshane, attraction. Karana, reason. Avakasha, opportunity. Janapriya is popular or popular amongst people. Loka Kalyana is welfare of the world. Smarane, remembering or memory. So, how come you all already know all these words? Anybody wants to say? How come you know these words? You're not Kannadigas.
Yeah, actually, most of the words are same like Sanskrit.
Yeah, yes, one lady got it. So Sanskrit is the origin of all these languages. So there are a lot of familiar words that you will already know. So let's start with the belief that I know this, I can do this. Okay, because let's set an intention saying that yes, it's an easy language. I know already half of it. All I need to do is crack the remaining half. Okay. So Kannada is very easy to write and speak when compared to English or any other Western language. Kannada has 49 letters in the alphabets, whereas English has 26. Kannada is the only language for which a foreigner named Ferdinand Kittel has written a dictionary of 70,000 words. The Gnanapita Award is the highest literary award conferred in India. Kannada writers lead this category, with 8 of them being the recipients of this award so far. Kannada is the third oldest language after Greek and Sanskrit. It is about 2,600 to 2,800 years old. Of the two main streams of Indian classical music, Hindustani and Carnatic has originated from Kannada culture. So I just wanted to share the greatness of Kannada. I'm sure each one of you, your own mother tongue, there'll be lots to talk about. But since this is a Kannada class, I just wanted to say this. So let's just start off with some pronunciations which generally people struggle with, okay? So we'll have one volunteer for this activity. You can unmute yourself, first raise your hand, then you can unmute. Who wants to repeat after me? I can't see any hands. Do I see any hands? Okay, Mr. Umesh, go ahead, unmute yourself, okay? So there is this peculiarity, if I can say, or a speciality of the language, there is a letter na. Okay? Some people struggle with this because it may not be there in your language. Where are you, Mr. Umesh? I'm not here.
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, fine. So, I'll say this word and I want you to repeat it after me. So, how do you do that? Na is by rolling the tongue. Some of you may get it easily, some of you may struggle. It's a matter of practice, okay? So, everybody on mute other than our volunteer right now who has come forward. Hana, money. So, repeat after me. Hana.
Hana, money.
Yes. Banna, color.
Banna.
Yes. Jipuna. Miser. Repeat Jipuna. Yeah. Pattana. Then Pattana city. Kshana. Second. Yeah, like minute and second. That's second. Okay. So one more person just to repeat the words.
Hana.
No.
Bana.
The same words, we'll repeat it once more. I can see Sudipta here on the screen. Sudipta, kindly unmute yourself and just repeat after me. Hana, money.
Hana, money.
Yeah.
Banna, color. Jipuna, miser. Pattana, city. Shana, second.
Yes, you got it.
Thank
So
you.
next to that is Minku. Can you just unmute yourself and then we'll go to the next one. This is la. Let the tip of your tongue touch the palate and roll the tip of the tongue back and hit it downwards to say the sound. All this is theoretical. Just give it a try. La. Okay? So, avala. It is la. Tala. Yeah. Parimala. Stala. Okay. Havala. Yeah. Okay, thank you. Mr. Raman or Raman, VG Raman, is it, what is it, sir? Raman? Yeah, you need to unmute yourself.
Yeah, just 1 minute. Yeah, it is Raman.
Okay. Raman, okay. So my husband is Ramana Kumar. So I've put it as Meera Raman and it's Raman. Everybody says Meera Raman and the initials is CV Meera Raman. So they say, are you related to CV Raman? I'm not. Okay. So the next set of words, Avala.
Avala.
Yes.
Thala. Parimala. Sthala. Havala. Correct?
The la is still not very prominent. Can you repeat it slowly?
Yeah. Avala. Thala.
No, it should not be tala. It is ala. Tala.
Thala.
Yes. Okay. Parimala.
Parimala.
Yes. Sthala.
Sthala.
La. No, that's again, it's becoming la. La. Sthala.
Sthala. Sthala.
Havala. Yes. Now we'll go to the next one. Okay, so we'll take 2 volunteers for this. I can see Mr. Suresh and Mr. Swaminathan. Okay, kindly unmute yourselves. Okay, first Mr. Suresh will go. I will say the words and you just repeat after me. Then Mr. Swaminathan will repeat. Then you will do a role play, both of you. And all the others, please be on mute. Okay. So, Mr. Suresh.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಟನ್ ಸುರೇಶ್ ರಾಘವನ್.
Okay. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಏನು?
Do I have to say that?
Yeah.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಏನು?
Yeah, you have to, you talk about your name, you introduce yourself and you ask him his name, isn't it? So say that again.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಟನ್ ಸುರೇಶ್ ರಾಘವನ್.
Yeah.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಏನು?
Yes. Now Mr. Swaminathan will give a reply.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಸ್ವಾಮಿನಾಥನ್.
So the
Is it
next
right?
one is obviously he has already introduced himself, so you will not say ask him his name. You will say Chennagiddira, or you can say Hegiddira.
ಓಕೆ. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
No, this Mr. Swaminathan will say. So you Suresh will say Nanna hesaru Suresh, Nimma hesaru eno. Then Swaminathan will say
ನನ್ನ
Chennagiddira.
ಹೆಸರು ಸ್ವಾಮಿನಾಥನ್.
Yes.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Yes. Your reply, Mr. Suresh?
ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನೀವು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Yes. Great. Now I want it seamlessly, both of you. Now, Mr. Suresh, you start off. It should go as a seamless conversation. Go ahead, both of you.
ಓಕೆ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಟನ್ ಸುರೇಶ್ ರಾಘವನ್. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಏನು?
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಸ್ವಾಮಿನಾಥನ್. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನು. ನೀವು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನೀವು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Yes. Can we have two more people? I can see Mr. Anant and Umesh again. Can you unmute yourselves, both of you, Anant and Umesh Patel? Okay. So have this introduction. So Anant will start the conversation.
Okay, I'll start. Okay. ನಾನು ಹೆಸರು ಅನಂತ್. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಏನು?
One minute. It's not ನಾನು ಹೆಸರು. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು.
Go ahead.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಅನಂತ್. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಏನು?
Yes.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಉಮೇಶ್.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Oh, you have to say that. Okay.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ರೆ?
ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನೀವು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Yes. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ.
There is a DH. That means there's a stress there. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ.
Yes. Okay. Two more people so that you are fully perfect with this, because this is the most commonly used sentences. Sir, Anand sir, ನಾವು ನೀವು ಮಾಡೋಣ ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ. Switch on your unmute yourself. So we both will do it. He's not there? Okay. So Hemant and Rohan, go and unmute yourself and do this conversation again. Rohan?
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರೇ ಹೇಮಂತ್. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರೇ ಆನಂದ್.
No. I want you to repeat, please. Repeat, please.
Ananda. Yeah, who's the second one? I forget.
I don't know who spoke, but just kindly repeat it.
This is Hemant.
Okay, Hemant, go ahead and repeat it, please.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರೇ.
No, that's why. See, hesaru.
Hesaru, I'm sorry.
Hesaru. Hesaru.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು
ಹೆಸರು
ಹೇಮಂತ್.
The next sentence.
ಹೆಸರೇ ಹೆಸರ
ಹೆಸರು
ಹೆಸರು. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಆನಂದ್.
ಏನು? What is your name? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಏನು?
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಏನು?
Yeah. Okay, who's going to reply?
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ರೋಹನ್. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಏನು?
Yes. Next.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Go ahead, sir.
ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಿ.
ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಿ.
ನೀವು ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Or you can say ನೀವು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ನೀವು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ.
Yeah. Okay. So, can we have Megha and Himanshu? Now you must do this really very spontaneously, very nicely. Go ahead.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಮೇಘಾ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು
I lost you.
Am I audible?
Now go ahead.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಮೇಘ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಏನು?
Yes. Okay.
Okay, I'll volunteer. ನನ್ನ
Yeah.
ಹೆಸರು ತ್ರಿದೀಪ್. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನೀವು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Yes.
ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
Okay. Okay. So let me have you on the screen here so I know. Okay, can I have Paul Philip repeat after me?
Tell me.
Okay. So I will say the word, then you repeat it. I want you to say the English word also because you know what happens? You will remember it. So, yes, howdu.
Yeah. Yes. Howdu.
Yeah, only Himanshu, please. No, illa.
Yes.
No. Illa.
Like, ishta.
Like. Ishta.
Don't like, ishta illa.
Don't like. Ishta illa.
Simply, summane.
Simply. Sumanne.
Difficult, kashta.
Difficult. Kashta.
Problem, tondare.
Problem. Tondare.
Good, chennagide.
Good. Chennagide.
Bad, chennagilla.
Bad. Chennagilla.
Want, beku.
Want. Beku.
Don't want, beda.
Don't want. Beda.
Little, swalpa.
Little. Swalpa.
But, adare.
But. Adare.
Yes. Now, we'll go to the next one. Now, who's going to? No, we'll do this again. Who wants to volunteer?
I will.
Okay. Now, I want you to just read it on your own. I'll correct it if you are making any mistake.
I'll start.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. Howdu. No. Illa. Like ishta. Don't like ishta illa. Simply summane. Difficult kashta. Problem tondre. Good chennagide. Bad chennagilla. Want beku. Don't want beda. Little swalpa.
But
adre.
Yes. One more person. Then we'll go to the next.
Yes. Howdu. No. Illa. Like ishta. Don't like ishta illa. Simply summane. Difficult kashta. Problem tondare. Good chennagide. Bad chennagilla. Want beku. Don't want beda. Little solpa. But not able to see that.
Adare.
Adare.
What do I want to do?
Yeah. We'll go to the pronouns now. Okay, who's going to repeat after me?
I can do that.
Yeah.
I can try. I can
Yeah.
try.
Yeah. The first person.
Yeah.
Okay. I, nanu.
I, nanu.
We, navu.
We, navu.
He, avanu.
He, avanu.
You, neenu.
You, neenu.
Yeah. So in this, neenu, neevu, tavu.
Neenu, neevu, tavu.
Yeah. It is like how you have in Hindi, tum, aap, like that. So, neenu is singular, neevu and tavu means it's plural or with respect basically. Okay? How you will say tum or aap. Tu, tum, aap, like that. She, avalu.
Tu, tum, aap. Ha. Neenu, neevu, tavu.
Yes, good. She, avalu.
She, avalu.
Repeat avallu.
I know you said roll the tongue. This is a test. Avalu.
Yes, good. That adu.
That adu.
This idu.
This idu.
They avaru.
They avaru.
Yes.
Avaru. Yeah.
The next one. My, mine, nanna, nannadu.
My, nanna.
Can we have another person?
Yeah, I can.
Who wants to do it?
I'm doing it. Yeah.
Okay. My, mine, nanna, nannadu.
Nanna, nannadu.
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 Yeah. Our, namma.
Our namma.
Yours, nimma.
Yours, nimma.
For me, nanage.
For me, nanage.
For you, ninage.
You, ninage.
Yeah. Ninage, nimage, tamage.
Tamage.
Yeah. Repeat
To
again.
them, ninage,
Nimage.
Arige. Theirs, avara.
Okay. Okay. So one more person so that we can go to the next one.
Can I go?
Yeah.
Hemant here.
Yes, please.
Manna, manadu. Namma.
Hey, no. That's nanna, nannadu.
Nanna, nannadu.
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 Because there are two nas, no? You have to stress. Nannadu.
Nannadu. Correct? Namma. Nimma.
Read the English and the Kannada.
Good.
That way you will remember it.
Yeah, you are right. Our namma. Yours, nimma. For me, nanage.
Yes.
For you, ninnage, nimage, thamage.
Yes.
To them, avarige.
Yes.
Theirs, avara.
Yes.
Avara.
Yes.
Thank you.
Good. Okay. Now, for this, I want all of you to
Mute.
stand up.
Oh.
Okay.
Lift both the hands.
So that we can do an activity. Where is my Zoom screen? I'm not able to see.
ಎರಡು ಕೈ
One minute. I need to see you people. I'm not able to see you. Okay. Okay. So, are you all up? Okay,
Yes.
we need to do one activity.
Yes.
Lift both hands. ಎರಡು ಕೈ ಎತ್ತು.
ಎರಡು ಕೈ ಎತ್ತು. Okay.
ಎರಡು ಕೈ ಎತ್ತು. So you can repeat it. One of you unmute, repeat it. All the others, you can say it along with him, but you can be on mute and do the action. Who's going to volunteer?
ಎರಡು ಕೈ ಎತ್ತು.
Okay. Open the eyes. Kannu tegi.
ಕಣ್ಣು ತೆಗಿ.
Yes. You can say kannu tegeiri. That is for plural. Okay. Kannu tegeiri. Repeat.
ಕಣ್ಣು ತೆಗೀರಿ.
Yes. Close your eyes. Close the eyes. Kannu muchu.
ಕಣ್ಣು ಮುಚ್ಚು.
Yes. Or shut up is bayi muchu.
ಬಾಯಿ ಮುಚ್ಚು.
Yes. You may want to use that sometime. Okay. Where are we?
Muchari is the plural word, madam.
Pardon?
Muchari. Close the eyes. ಕಣ್ಣು ಮುಚ್ಚವು.
Kannu muchu, that is close. So, bayi muchu, close your mouth. One minute, bear with me. Okay. No, we did not complete the. There is one more section.
Madam, are we going to get the PowerPoint presentation?
Yeah, we'll do this now. Okay. So for this, you have to come forward. I missed out this slide. I did that first. Okay. Come forward, Mundeba. Who is going to volunteer for this?
I can.
Yeah. Okay.
I can.
Come forward, Mundeba. I want you to actually do it. I know it may feel a little childish, but when you do all your senses, you will remember this. Come forward, Mundeba.
Mundeba.
Yeah. So you can also
back.
say Munde Banni, Munde Banri.
Munde Banri.
Repeat.
These are alternates.
Yeah. So Banni is plural, Banri is with respect. Both plural and with respect can be Banni or Banri. Okay.
Banri.
Munde Banri, Munde Banni.
Munde Banri, Munde Banni.
Little loudly. Okay.
Munde Banni, Munde Banri.
Okay. Go back. Hinde hogu, hinde hogi.
Go back. Hinde hogu, hinde hogi.
Yes. Go left. Edakke hogu, edakke hogi. Repeat.
Edakke hogu, edakke hogi.
Yes. So hogi
is plural, ma'am, or hogu?
Yes.
What's the difference between hogu and hogi?
Plural भी है और respect के लिए भी बोलते हैं. Even if there's one person, if there's an elderly person, you will not say hogu, you will say hogi. Okay. So we are already standing up. Stand up is nintuko. Nintukolli.
Nintukolli.
Yes. Kutuko. Time for us to sit down now. Kutuko. Kutukolli.
Kutukolli.
Yes. Then kuniyiri. Jump.
Kuniyiri.
Then edakai etti. Lift left hand.
Lift left hand. Edakayettu.
Yes, edakayettu, edakayetti. Yes. Lift right hand. Balakayetti.
Lift right hand. Balakayetti.
Yetti. Yes. So we'll do a repeat of this. We did it earlier. Somebody wants to repeat after me?
Yeah.
Somebody else?
Yeah, I'll do it.
Okay. Lift both the hands. Eradu kaiyettu, eradu kayetti.
Lift both the hands.
Eradu. Hello. I think we lost him. Somebody else wants to say?
Yeah, I can say.
Okay.
Can I say, madam?
Yeah.
Lift both hands. Eradu kayettu. Eradu kayetti.
Yes. Next.
Open the eyes. Kannu tegiyeri. Tegiyeri. Close the eyes. Kannu muchiri.
Yes.
Shut up. Bai muchiri.
Bai muchiri. Yes. Okay. Now I want to stop.
Ma'am, are we getting the PowerPoint presentation for our reference?
No, that will not be shared. The recording will be shared, sir.
Recording. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. So, do we have any singers here? Okay. We did one
Yes, I can
singing
see.
and yes. Mr. Anant. He's a singer. So he's going to sing after me, okay, along with me.
I'm not a singer, but I'm just
Want to
new
be a
singer.
singer. Want to be a singer. Wanna be a singer. Okay. Okay.
Bathroom singers.
Oh, bathroom singer. Okay, fine. Let me just share this now. First, I'll say it, then you can repeat after me. Okay. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to make you learn through different senses. That way you will remember these things, because so many words we're teaching you. Sometimes it's difficult to remember this. So that's okay. So here's the tune. Here's the tune. Okay. Wait. What ye know why yake how hege how much to. Okay, come on, repeat, sir.
What ye know why how hege how much yes to.
Yeah, you're really a bathroom singer. Okay, once more. Very nicely you have to sing, melodiously. Only then you'll remember it, isn't it? What ye know why yake how hege how much to.
What ye know why yake how much yes to.
Yes, some better singers are there. Who yaru where yelli which yava is it how the.
Who yaru where illi which yava is it how the.
Yes. Who yaru where yelli which yava is it how the.
Who yaru where illi which yava is it how the.
Yes. So, okay, now individually, any one person, I want you to sing this, please. Who wants to take the lead? We didn't hear any of the ladies sing. No singers?
I'm trying, ma'am.
Okay, good. Okay, good.
What no why yake how hege how much is to. Who yaru where illi which yava is it how the.
Yes, very good, very good. One more person.
What
We'll have one lady. We've not heard any women now. Go ahead, ma'am.
I'll go. Hello?
Yeah, go ahead.
What ye know why yake how hege how much is to. Who yaru where yelli which yava is it how the.
Yes, awesome. Thank you. One nice round of applause for all of us. Okay, so we'll have a role play now. I need 2 people to come forward, okay? So that we can have a conversation. Yes. Introduce yourself, say your name. That way we know who.
Hello everyone, my name is Ali.
Okay. Who's the other person?
Can I go? My name is Ramana.
Okay. So the first person will read the first line, then the second one will do the second line. It's not a role play, but it's just sentences. Go ahead.
Okay. Ye no.
The next one, next person.
What do you want? Yenu beku nimage.
Yes.
Why yake?
Why do you want it? Nimage yake beku.
How hege?
Ali, I think you might as well go through the rest of those 2 lines.
Okay.
How did you come here? ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೀಗ ಬಂದ್ರಿ ನೀವು? ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರಿ? How much many? ಎಷ್ಟು? How much is 1 kilo mango? 1 ಕಿಲೋ ಮಾವಿನ ಹಣ್ಣು ಎಷ್ಟು?
Okay. 1 kg ಮಾವಿನ ಹಣ್ಣು ಎಷ್ಟು?
1 kg ಮಾವಿನ ಹಣ್ಣು ಎಷ್ಟು?
Yeah. Well, go ahead and repeat from the beginning, please.
Are we repeating?
What?
Or
Yeah. No, you just simply read it out. Then for the next one, we'll go take another person.
What? ಏನು? What do you want? ಏನು ಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ? ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು?
ಏನು ಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ?
ಏನು ಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ? ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು?
So those are two versions. You can either say ಏನು ಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ or you can say ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು. Both are correct.
Okay. Why? ಯಾಕೆ? Why do you want it? ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಬೇಕು?
ನಿಮಗೆ.
ನಿಮಗೆ. How? ಹೇಗೆ? How did you come here? ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರಿ?
Yes.
How much? ಎಷ್ಟು? How much is 1 kilo mango?
Correct. Good. We'll go to the next one. Why has it come to this mode? Okay, these are sentences for some of the words that you have learned now. Okay, so who wants to go ahead? One person is enough.
Okay, I'll go for this one.
Yes, please. Go ahead, sir.
Lift both the hands. Eradu kai ettu. Lift both the hands and take the box. Eradu kai etti dabba tago.
Tagoli.
Dabba tagoli.
Both.
Tagoli. Open the eyes. Kannu tegi. Open your eyes and see. Kannu tegidu nodu. Or kannu tegidu nodi.
Correct.
Close the eyes. Kannu muchu. Close your eyes and sleep. Kannu muchi malagu. Or kannu muchi malagi.
Yes.
Shut up. Close your mouth. Bai muchu. Shut up. Enough of talking. Bai muchu. Saki matadanidu. ಮಾತನಾಡಿದ್ದು.
ಸಾಕು ಮಾತನಾಡಿದ್ದು.
ಮಾತನಾಡಿದ್ದು.
Yes, yes. Thank you. It is 7 p.m. Okay. The next set of sentences wants to do this. Any take-ups?
I'll go ahead, ma'am.
Please.
Stand up. ನಿಂತು ಕೋಳಿ.
ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. All stand up for prayer. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನಾಂಗೆ.
Wait. I'll say it and you can repeat it. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆಗೆ ಎದ್ದು ನಿಂತುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆಗೆ ಎದ್ದು ನಿಂತುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
ಎದ್ದು
ನಿಂತುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
Yes, good.
Sit down. ಕೂತುಕೋ.
Yeah.
All of you sit down for lunch.
Yeah, let me tell you. Wait. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಊಟಕ್ಕೆ ಕೂತುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಊಟಕ್ಕೆ ಕೂತುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
Yeah. That K is big, no? So you have to stress that. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಊಟಕ್ಕೆ.
ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಊಟಕ್ಕೆ ಕೂತುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
Yes. Next.
Jump. ಯಗರು.
Yes.
Jump where you are standing. ನಿಂತಿರುವ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಗರಿ.
Yagari, they've made it plural here. Yagaru is singular. Okay. ನಿಂತಿರುವ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಗರಿ.
ನಿಂತಿರುವ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಗರಿ. Left hand, ಇದಗೈ. ಎಡಗೈ. Most people don't use left hand.
ಬಹಳ ಜನ ಎಡಗೈ ಬಳಸುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. Read the whole thing.
ಬಹಳ ಜನ ಎಡಗೈ ಬಳಸುವುದಿಲ್ಲ.
Yes.
ಬಹಳ ಜನ ಎಡಗೈ ಬಳಸುವುದಿಲ್ಲ.
Yes. Who wants to go?
I can come.
Yes, sir, please.
Come forward. ಮುಂದೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಮುಂದೆ ಬನ್ನಿ.
Yes.
Come forward and talk. ಮುಂದೆ ಬಂದು ಮಾತಾಡಿ. Go back. ಹಿಂದೆ ಹೋಗು or ಹಿಂದೆ ಹೋಗಿ. Go back and sit. ಹಿಂದೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಕುತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ or ಹಿಂದೆ ಹೋಗು ಕುತ್ಕೋ. Left ಎಡಕ್ಕೆ.
ಹೋಗು.
Left ಎಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗು. Go left for the shop. ಅಂಗಡಿಗೆ ಎಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗು. Go right. ಬಲಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗು. Go right to go to our house. ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಲಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗು.
Yes, ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಲಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ. Both.
Okay, ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ. ಹೋಗಿ will be like a
plural.
Okay.
Plural or respect.
Okay.
Okay. We'll do some vegetables and then we can stop. It's a 1 hour session. So, but first day we can do some vegetables and we can end it. Yeah, who wants to go first? Repeat after me. How many people are there in the meeting? Do you want me to continue or?
66 people are there.
Yeah. Okay. Shall we do this and then end?
Yes, please. Yes,
Okay.
please.
Fine. Who wants to repeat?
I'll go, ma'am.
Okay. Ladies finger bendekai.
Ladies fingers bendekai.
Yes. Cucumber sautekai.
Cucumber sautekai.
Cabbage elekosu.
Cabbage elekosu.
Yes. Drumstick nuggekai.
Drumstick nuggekai.
Pumpkin kumbalakai.
Pumpkin kumbalakai.
Yes. Bitter gourd hagalakai.
Bitter gourd hagalakai.
Yes. Snake gourd padavalakai.
Snake gourd padavalakai.
Yes. Lemon nimbe hannu.
Lemon nimbe hannu.
Yes. Rich gourd hirekai.
Rich gourd hirekai.
Yes. Green chili hasiru menasinakai.
Green chilies.
Hasiru. I think we lost him. Somebody else continue.
Hasiru menasinakai.
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 Yes.
Hasiru menasinakai.
Yes, good. Onion irulli.
Onion irulli.
Garlic bellulli.
Garlic bellulli.
Yes. Somebody else wants to continue? Who's doing it?
Yes. Yes, Mukesh.
Ginger shunti. Go ahead.
Ginger shunti.
Shunti. Potato aloogadde.
Potato aloogadde.
Brinjal badane-kai.
Brinjal badane-kai.
Beans huruli-kai.
Beans huruli-kai.
Yes. Okay, some dishes from these vegetables. And you have a weekend ahead of you. Go ahead and try these things. If you want, I'll tell you where you should eat what, okay? Brinjal badane-kai.
Brinjal badane-kai.
Badane-kai enne-gai. The curry that you make out of it is badane-kai enne-gai.
Badane-kai enne-gai. Enne-gai.
Yeah, who has eaten this? Enne-gai? Anybody?
Yeah. Wallet.
So, enne-gai is used for brinjal only, or it is used for any of the curries, ma'am?
No, enne-gai is enne is oil. So this is a little bit oily. This one. So badane-kai is the brinjal. Curry is not enne-gai. No, this curry especially is this enne-gai. Okay.
Okay.
So potato, aloogadde, Aloogadde palya. Go ahead.
Potato, aloogadde, potato fry sabzi, aloogadde palya.
Palya. Palya. Palya. You have that inside masala dosa, na? Aloogadde palya.
Okay. Aloogadde palya.
Drumstick, nuggekai. Nuggekai, huli. Huli. Sambar is huli.
Nuggekai, huli. Drumstick
Huli.
sambar, nuggekai, huli.
Yes. Okay, who's going to go next?
I can go.
Yeah. Rich gourd, hirekai. Rich gourd,
Hirekai, rich gourd, hirekai,
bonda or hirekai bajji.
Hirekai bajji.
hirekai, bonda, hirekai bajji.
Yes.
Beans,
urlikai.
urlikai,
Palya.
urlikai palya.
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 Dry sabzi called palya.
Okay. Lemon, nimbu hannu.
Nimbe hannu.
Nimbe hannu, uppinakai.
Yes, nimbe hannu uppinkai. Okay. I think we have one more slide. Okay. Who's going to go next? Anybody?
In the kitchen after tonight. Okay.
Bitter gourd, hagalkai.
A bitter gourd, hagalkai.
Yes. Bitter gourd snack is karida hagalkai. That is deep fried. Karida hagalkai.
Karida hagalkai.
Yes. Pumpkin is kumbalakai. Kumbalakai halwa.
Pumpkin is kumbalakai and halwa is kumbalakai halwa.
You should say la.
Kumbala kai halwa.
Yes. Cucumber sautekai. Sautekai kosumbari.
Cucumber sautekai and salad is sautekai kusambari.
Kosambari.
Kosambari.
Kosambari. Yes, kosambari. I think that's it.
Kumbada is the same la which we use for vada, right?
Correct, exactly.
Okay, and in Shan, in the very first or second slide, you have vada. So that is the same vada which we use for vada, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. So I'm stop sharing. Yes, guys, how was the session? Did you learn something? Was it interesting? Was it boring? And was it too fast? I want some feedback from each one of you.
Time is very short, madam.
Yes. So that means...
When is the next session, ma'am?
I think we're going to have it on Monday or Wednesday, something like that. I'll check with my team and share the schedule with you. This time is also will be shared. I think I'll have to check with this one, the team.
Because some of us are working, ma'am.
Pardon?
I'm saying that many of us are working.
Correct.
If you can make it
little later in the night is better, isn't it?
Yeah,
8 o'clock is fine. 8 is fine.
Yeah. So the way we're going to have it is one live session per week, and we will be sharing these in WhatsApp for you to repeat, so that whenever you can do that. So throughout the day, some words will be shared with you, the audio, all those things. So it's like a revision of what you have done. You'll repeat. You keep doing it throughout the day. Then by the next live session, by the time we schedule the next live session, you're fully ready with whatever you've done.
Yeah.
Ma'am, let's try to do it on Tuesday. Spare the Monday. Monday seems to be very... I mean, I'm just saying my
Or
side.
would you like to have it on the weekends? Like
weekend will be perfect.
Yeah, weekends are better. Please avoid Monday. Monday we have our club meeting, which ends only by 8:30.
Sure. That is why I'll get back with my team also, and I'll coordinate with Mr. Anand, and we'll plan it. So thank you all of you.
Madam, last question.
Wonderful session. Really enjoyed it.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Madam, one feedback and a question.
Yes,
the feedback is you made it super interesting, madam. We think that we already know many of the Kannada words now. Can't wait to use it tomorrow in the vegetable market at least. And for some reason, if we miss a
We lost him there. Megha wanted to say something. Is it my net or?
did you get my question?
Recordings will be there. You can recordings.
Yeah.
Recording. Okay, thank you.
Okay, Megha, you wanted
Madam,
to
can I
say
say something in Kannada?
I have a question if I can ask it.
Yes, please. Go ahead, Megha.
I just wanted to know the difference between Banri and Bandri.
Bunny and Bandri, yeah. So there is no difference. It's a dialect, that's all. It's the same. Generally, little bit rustic, or people from the village will say Bandri, Kurri, that way. Otherwise, it's Bunny. So it's the same. We didn't want you to miss out on that, so we've added that, but it's the same.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Re is basically Hubli style. Bandri,
Correct.
Hubli.
Bandri, Kurri, yes. Thank you,
Madam,
everyone.
bala thanks. Bala chennagide. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. So
Thank you,
looking forward
madam.
to the next
Thank you very
class.
much.
See you all. Bye. Good night.
Bye bye. Good night.
Madam, good night.